Are you ready to unlock the power of design without any complicated software? Today, I'll show you how to use Canva, the ultimate tool for beginners to create stunning visuals in minutes. First, start by signing up for a free Canva account. Once you're in, you'll see an easy to navigate dashboard. You can either search for a ready-made template or click on Create a Design to select a preset size, or even enter custom dimensions if you have something specific in mind. Now comes the fun part, customization. On the left-hand menu, you'll find everything you need: text, photos, illustrations, icons, and other elements. Simply drag and drop them into your design. Want to tweak something? Click on any element to resize, rotate, change colors, or adjust fonts. You can even layer items or move them around to make your design perfectly organized. All your projects are automatically saved in the Projects tab, so you can revisit or edit them anytime. And when you're happy with your creation, hit download to save it, or share it directly on social media or with friends. With just a few clicks, Canva makes professional-looking designs accessible to everyone, whether it's for social media, presentations, or personal projects. Give it a try and you'll be designing like a pro in no time.